Installing a camera-based intrusion detection system in your home is a great idea to protect your property and family. But if you think inexpensive IP cameras are the solution, then you may be putting yourself in more danger than you think. The basic security protection provided by these cameras is easily vulnerable to hacking. By the way, how strong is your Wi-Fi password? And since IP cameras are cloud-based, their clouds are often unregulated and unsecured. All elements of your system should be cyber protected. Cameras, mobile application, and especially the cloud server. Cameras using simple motion detection filters will trigger many false alarms. Constant alarms will quickly make you lose confidence in the system's ability to respond to real events. Solution: adding sophisticated artificial intelligence to the system to filter the camera's motion detection alarms will almost reduce to zero the number of false alarms such as shadows and moving curtains. Your camera-based intrusion detection system needs to reliably identify real events. Introducing Turaco Lite, a camera-based detection system that is secured and reliable. Its unique security gateway ensures end-to-end protection between the cameras and the mobile application. Furthermore, its cloud cyber protection is continuously updated and hosted in regulated countries. Turaco's relies on powerful artificial intelligence algorithms hosted in the cloud and not in the cameras, allowing superior camera independent performance. Basing sophisticated artificial intelligence in the cloud also makes Turaco's solution more affordable, reliable, and secured than camera-based AI systems. Bottom line, if you are looking for the most secure, reliable, and yet affordable camera-based intrusion detection system, rely on Turaco.